Hey, what's good, YouTube? Back with another motherfucking vlog. Hey, we in the new V, no cap. It's that shit. We really bending. Really getting active now. Let's hear this bitch with the windows down. It be a little tough, it be a little tough. Y'all will see the outside. Y'all will see the outside real soon. Real soon. Finna hit a little gas up real quick. Oh yeah, that bit came quick. Them nice brakes, them Mopar brakes. Oh cow. Fuck wrong with them, YouTube? We here.
1 minute later.
What's good, YouTube? We back. We just filled up a little bit, no cap. We back though. Yo, y'all go tap in. Y'all go tap in with the car IG page at 5.7 Zell. I think it's underscore Zell. Yeah. 5.7. So 57 _Zell. Y'all tap in with the car page, no cap. Finna start posting there. That's on IG. We gonna keep posting the car content on this channel. Let me roll these windows up. Fuck wrong with them, YouTube. Fuck wrong with them, YouTube. I ain't even gonna lie, fuck wrong with them. Nah, but it's just gonna be a short little introduction of the car and shit. Nothing too crazy. It's a little RT 57 bitch. It's blue.
Oh man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
You'll see in a second once we get to our location. Finna show y'all boys. Bro, if these people don't drive faster, I'm finna die looking, but fuck it. Yeah, hell no. I can't do it, chat. Bro, I hope y'all know the speed limit's 55 on this road. We haven't gone over 45.
Flashback.
Like, hello? Are we robots, NPCs? Fuck wrong with them? Alright, we finna tap in when we not behind this trailer. I'm not gonna lie, this shit pissing me off. Alright, y'all boys, we got open road, no cap. Finna hit a little pool for y'all. I know y'all hear that mini whine, even though there's no supercharger in this bitch. It's that intake. No kizzy. If y'all fuck with the nighttime POV content and the nighttime driving shit, just keep liking, commenting, subscribing, fucking with the channel and shit, and I'll keep driving. Pretty easy. And this is a newer RT, so we do have launch control in this bitch. I'm not gonna lie. I would launch it, but this fucking dumbass. Fuck it, I'll launch it. That was the goofiest. I can't even say anything. That was a V6. I don't know. Little launch for y'all. Bro, this bumpy ass road. Fuck wrong with them, YouTube? We are civilians. I am a civilian. Me is the civilian. Hey, and I'm not gonna lie, this video should be dropped after the video at Cane's.
Tell them to bring me my money.
The public interview video. So if y'all didn't already like that video, go like that video right now. Or you're fake. So yeah, I hate to break it to you. Oh, let me slow down. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, my shit lowered as fuck. I got racing suspension, like Hellcat suspension. So I'm finna put Hellcat wheels on this bitch and it'll sit perfect. No problems at all. Fuck wrong with them. I can't leak where I live, guys. Can't do that. I'm not gonna lie. I was trying to downshift and I just activated Siri or whatever the fuck. Can't leak where I live, guys. But we are finna show you the car right about now. We are at the spot. Thought that was 12. That is not 12. But yeah, we here. So I'm gonna show y'all the V. No kizzy. Here it is, y'all boys. Got that bit chopping. I'm gonna show y'all the front. That bitch mean and it's blue, no cap. Hey, but I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, no cap. I need y'all to tap in this fat at Wendy's bag below my feet. Fuck wrong with them. But yeah, if y'all do fuck with the car and the car content, and the car content coming soon, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah. Bro, shut up. Alright, y'all boys. Well, I'm gonna tap in with y'all in the next one. But yeah, it was low-key a short little vlog, but we just wanted to introduce the car to you. Talk about it a little, show you a little drive, few pulls. But yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all in the next one. Love y'all boys.
If they send a load, then we pulling up. Ain't nobody outside because we put them up. We put all our guns together, it's like 20 something.